Another type of classification of alcohols is primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohols. As we know, a carbon atom attached to one other carbon atom is called primary carbon. Okay, for example, this is attached to two hydrogens and one carbon group. If OH group is attached here, it is 1 degree alcohol because this carbon is primary carbon. When the carbon is primary carbon and OH group attached to that primary carbon, that is called primary alcohol. Yes. In the same way, if you look at this one, this carbon is a secondary carbon because it is attached to two alkyl groups. If OH is attached here, it is secondary alcohol. Simple, na? Right. If a carbon is attached to three other carbon atoms, it is tertiary carbon. And to this, if OH group is there, this you can call tertiary alcohol. Primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol based on the nature of carbon. If it is primary carbon, primary alcohol. If it is secondary carbon, secondary alcohol. If it is tertiary carbon, tertiary alcohol. Neo alcohol won't be there, right? Because neo means already 4 bonds are attached to carbon, so OH cannot be attached here. It is against of the valency of carbon, so not possible. So primary, secondary, tertiary. One another type is when a carbon is attached to benzene ring and OH is present on this. You can call this is benzylic alcohol. If you want to be more specific, you can say this is primary benzylic. If benzene is there, CH, OH, and if it is methyl group or any alkyl group, you can say this is secondary benzylic group. If it is in the same way, you can say COH, methyl and methyl. If it is tertiary benzylic group. Correct? Na? Primary benzylic, secondary benzylic, and tertiary benzylic. Okay. So benzylic means benzene, next attached there will be a carbon, OH will be attached to that carbon. See, benzylic is alcohol, it is not phenol. Okay, now OH is directly attached to benzene means phenol. This is alcohol only, it is not phenol. And now CH2OH, if it is there, it is not benzylic. Benzylic means only one carbon should be there. Only one carbon should be there, and to that carbon, on benzene one carbon, to that carbon there should be OH group. Fine. Now look at this CH2 double bond CH2 OH. If it is there, this is called allyl alcohol. In this again it is primary allyl alcohol because it can be secondary also. It is secondary allyl alcohol. CH2 double bond CH, this is tertiary allyl alcohol. Primary allyl alcohol, secondary allyl alcohol, tertiary allyl alcohol are like this. And the interesting one is CH2 double bond CH. If OH is attached here, this is vinylic alcohol. Actually, vinylic alcohols are unstable, highly unstable. They undergo change to form CH3CH. Here it is acetaldehyde. Vinyl alcohol is unstable and turns into, in this case, it turns into acetaldehyde. Fine. And this particular change is called actually tautomerism. It is a very special concept. We will discuss when time permits. At present, vinyl alcohol, and that is unstable, so turns into acetaldehyde. This is about classification. Then when it comes to names, CH3OH is called carbinol. So CH3CH2OH is called methyl carbinol. This is carbinol and methyl is extra. So you can call this as methyl carbinol. A type of common name it is. And one more type of common name is there, that is methyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. But actual IUPAC name will be ol. If it is like this, propane 1-ol, propane 2-ol. This is about alcohols. If two OH groups are there, as we were discussing, this is glycol, ethane 1,2-diol. Just for your idea. And when you are talking about phenols, if a methyl group is there adjacent to this, orthocresol, metacresol, paracresol.